Alright, let's do a quick walk around of this beautiful blue color Range Rover Sport SVR right here at the Geneva Jaguar stand. So SVR, as you can see here, I love the tail light, the pipes, exhaust pipes right here, all blacked out, the Range Rover logo and the gloss black details. The wall top of the car is black, including the roof. Let's have a quick look at these beautiful black Land Rover wheels and huge front calipers that are patent red with the Land Rover logo on them. This piece is also gloss black. The mirrors are gloss black as well. All the details in the headlamp and the grille are also blacked out, so there is no chrome on this car. Gloss blacked out vents all around, and also blacked out lip down here. What I like are these vents right here on the hood of the car. This back some serious power with its 5-liter V8. Produces 575 horsepower as all the other SVR cars. So let's just have a quick look into the trunk. So you can see all this is carpeted. Beautiful materials. The guy just broke a piece of the car right here. Electrically operated tailgate, as you can see right here, and beautiful blue metallic color. Quick look into the interior. You can see white leather all around here with white stitching, and black leather with black stitching, and carbon fiber meridian sound system. And here's a really cool thing. So this is a warning, blind spot detection warning for rear passengers, because they don't have the mirror to see if there is an obstacle or an upcoming car behind the door. So if there is, it lights up orange, and so they won't open the door into something. They use the data from the blind spot detector in the front. Let's take a quick look at the rear seats. So perfect white leather right here, white stitching, and Alcantara parts right here. The roof is Alcantara. Here's an unbroken piece right here with the touch base reading light. And of course the window box right here. So again, carbon fiber all around here. This all is speakers. Storage here.
Je pense que le speaker est aussi une question culturelle, pas seulement une question de sport. Et le
electrically adjusted seats
l'alpinisme
with this Coleman SVR special operational vehicles.
Et cela a donné lieu à beaucoup d'histoires.
You can see pretty cool detail with SVR right here. Leather wrap dashboard, carbon fiber right here again. This metal piece looks good.
Le film
really good.
Et surtout le musée. Le musée, c'est la manière de raconter l'arrière-plan. C'est la forme la plus durable. La France
chrome piece right here, and the interior is facelifted in the way that the Range Rover Velar
Oui, c'est une excellente idée. C'est une meilleure idée que celle de faire de l'alpinisme
right
une
here, and
discipline
then all of
olympique.
it, the rest of
On
it
a
is
fait de
touchscreen.
l'alpinisme une discipline olympique, et bien sûr, c'est un sport pur. Bientôt, on verra
And the buttons right
dans
here,
tous les
cup
autres,
holders,
c'est-à-dire le dopage,
and
et on le fera en
storage
business.
unit,
Cela n'aura plus rien
which
à voir
can be
avec ce
actually
qu'était
cool
l'alpinisme à l'origine. Mais je ne veux
as
pas
well.
critiquer cela.
Alright,
Ces
here
dernières
is
années,
the
la discipline s'est
here's the
scindée
top
entre le sport pur,
glove box,
sale, l'escalade sportive,
and here
et le tourisme.
is the bottom glove box of the car. I love these
Ce n'est pas de
metal
l'alpinisme. Ça n'a plus rien à voir avec ce qu'on fait lors des temps
lines right
incroyables.
here.
Escalader la face nord.